How to add new avatar stickers on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on Galaxy Avatar. Now in here, you want to tap on avatar stickers and then tap on the add button. From here, you can choose different color background, or you can choose a transparent background. From here, you can apply other backgrounds as well. So you can drag up so that you have a better view. And there are quite a lot to choose from, so select the one that you like to use. Okay, so once you have selected the background, here at the bottom here are different stickers that you can add on to your stickers here. You can resize it. You can add in more stickers. You can add in words and cute holidays. Okay, so once you have done that, you can also add in text, expression, and so on. Then once you're happy with it, tap on saved. And there you go. So that is how you can create a new avatar stickers. Once you have done that, you can add it to gallery. So you can add it as a video, still image, GIF. You can also send share in messages or set as profile pic. So there it is. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So here in gallery, this is the new avatar that we have just saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.